first of all, we're meeting first time, so I think this give introduction a little bit.
Okay. So, yeah, my name is Prarthana Sharma. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I had completed my graduation and I am married. I have two kids. Recently, I started my YouTube channel. So, whenever I get free time, so I upload their video, and it's totally waste in speaking English because I am learning this language and practicing, and I practice and upload their my video. Yeah, that's all about me.
Introduction. So yeah, my name. Thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Snehita, and I am from Bihar, but currently living in Greater Noida. I'm married. I'm blessed with two kids, and as well as homemaker also. As you know, my qualifications. So I have done graduation in BSc Botany Honors. As you know, my hobbies: so cooking, listening, music, and playing badminton. And simultaneously, I am running YouTube channel also, which is based on spoken English. That's all about me.
Wow, that's good. Sound very good. Okay. So, how old your kids?
Oh, well, I have two kids. The elder one is 8 years old, and younger one is 3 years old. And younger one, I just dropped to play school and just come back home.
Okay. And yeah, I think elder one is stay home, na?
Yeah, because nowadays going on online classes, so that's why my mobile is up to 12:30, 1 o'clock. I will be busy.
Okay, so why converted online
Yeah,
classes?
because I'm in Greater Noida, so you know, NCR and Delhi is a very nowadays a very pollution is increased day by day. So that's why in UP and Delhi government has taken decision in a school will take online
Oh,
classes.
yeah. So which
So
is better, online or offline? What do you think?
no, of course offline.
Yeah, because their kids learn too much when they will
Yeah,
will
uh,
go to school.
uh, kids will attend online class. After that they will watch her favorite things like
Yeah,
YouTube content, like videos, so many things that they want to see. So that's why it's not good for kids. Online class is good for adult,
yeah,
no doubt, but online class is not good for children. And every time disturbing when get free time, that time give something, mama play with something. It's too hectic for me.
yeah.
Did you start YouTube channel?
Last 2 3 month. Yeah. I think August. In August I
Or,
started.
and starting learning
Yeah.
English from August only or before that?
Only main I started on August my speaking journey, but little I started before, like a normal conversation, very normal conversation. I know I not able to speak that time. Little sentences I joined that time. I joined little sentences and mm, means not too much. Start.
Did you so did you join any classes for this language or any app?
No, 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 no. App, yeah, yeah, app. One app I installed, Harbo app. So I not paid money. Whenever I get time, so there are available 25 minutes every day. You get it.
Yeah, I also joined that app, AC Fluency and Hybro app. Both apps are when, but problem is that when I get free time, then I can join.
Yeah. So I not do practice there too much. I only practice myself. You know, every time whenever I do anything, so I speak myself. Means whenever I think anything, so I speak myself. I not use Hindi. Every time I use English only.
What you do for speaking part? What you doing these days? Means how much time you are spend on this language?
Actually, when I talk with text session like this, then I practice my English, like making conversation and talking my kids. sisters. I have siblings, so I talk with my siblings, and I not do extra anything. I teach my kids. So while teaching, used to reading and
Joint family?
haha.
Are you living with a joint family?
No, nowadays I not living with joint family. I only live with my husband.
How are your kids? How they are old?
My younger one is eight. Sorry, elder one is 8 year old, and younger one is 4 year old.
Okay, okay. Then you can talk with them.
Yeah, sometime every time I used to talk with my kids.
Yeah,
Only
this
I
is
talk
good.
with my when I talk with my husband. That time I used Hindi. That time I use Hindi. Otherwise, I try to use English.
In English every time. Yeah, when you speak more, then automatically your speaking skill will be improve, and you hesitation will be also improve.
Yeah, so sometimes I watch videos like YouTube video, conversation video while working my house chores. Do you know how much work in our home?
So
So yeah,
yeah, nowadays or because Diwali is just around the corner, so every house maker is very busy these days, especially.
yeah. So I not did extra thing. And what do you? Your English is very good.
Really, no, no. Thank you for giving this compliment. But not you can say not much because I started learning this language when 14th November will become. Then 1 month will complete.
Oh my God, you are means so you speak very good. What you did? So
No,
you learn fast.
no, no. Because before that, I 1 month before I talk in English with my family. It means my kids and husband also. After that, I started talking with a stranger like YouTubers.
Okay. So does your husband speak English good?
Yeah, I
Okay,
can
so
talk.
you have partner. You have partner in your home.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, that's why
Yeah,
your English will improve too much.
every time I talk in English, my problem is that when I talk with other person, that time I feeling hesitation and fear.
Okay, it's happen everyone. It's happen. It's a common problem.
What do you do in your leisure time?
Oh, leisure time. Actually, I every time busy. I not get too much time, but nowadays only I focus my English practicing. So whenever I get time, and so I only try to speak, and I try to make ask question myself and speak English, and I not do any extra thing. Yeah.
Yeah, because you know how to ask a question. So question part is a very means tough. You answering very well, but when you go ask questions, so that time will be you are stuck.
Yeah. So if
I,
anyone asks question, so we are comfortable take answer. But when my turn, how I ask questions, so yeah, this is tough. Yeah.
so everyone accepting this type of things.
If you learn anything, so it's beginning, it happen everyone. But when we are able to talk, make conversation too much, so yeah, we are after 1 year we will be good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's a long journey. Nobody will learn in a 1 month, 2 months completely any language. I'm not talking about English language. Any language you have to give more time. Then
You know,
we can.
English is easy, but if you want to learn other language, so you try too much, then you learn. But English, we are know very much thing
Yeah,
in English.
yeah, because you before that you learn so many things, so many vocabulary in childhood.
Yes.